Welcome to Shah Grammar High School. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? क्लास मैट्रिक जुलाई असाइनमेंट आपको मिल चुका है. हमने अपनी पिछली 2 वीडियोस में जुलाई असाइनमेंट पीएसटी के सवाल नंबर 1 और 2 की वीडियो आपको दी थी. आज बारी है बच्चों जुलाई असाइनमेंट के क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पीएसटी इंग्लिश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है हमारा. Explain 4 differences between environmental pollution in rural and urban areas of Pakistan. ये बच्चों क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपको मिला था. आइए इसके सॉल्यूशन की तरफ चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन जो है वो है हमारा Explain 4 differences between environmental pollution in rural and urban areas of Pakistan. इसका जवाब है बच्चों पाकिस्तान urban population is increasing day by day, and therefore the types of pollution is increasing in the cities. Some of them here are listed below. Air pollution. Due to the large number of motor vehicles in cities, they emit a lot of carbon monoxide and causes air pollution in cities, but in villages. However, most people travel on foot or via cycle, and therefore have a lesser pollutant gas in the environment. Water pollution. Due to the lack of industrial machinery and warehouses in villages, there is highly industrial cities. Factories often dump harmful chemicals into the river and seawater, contributing to water pollution in cities. Land pollution. There is a notion of throwing waste and rubbish on the roads and streets in the cities. They creates accumulation of waste that needs to be cleaned up. However, in the villages, due to land being used primarily to grow crops, is often taken care of very seriously in villages. Therefore, is only a small amount of waste that is disposed of without creating a land and pollution problem. बच्चों, ये हमारा आज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर था। इन स्लाइड की मदद से अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लीजिए। अगली क्लास तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए। अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।